What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is a cancer of the mesothelium, the tissues that line human internal organs. It is often incorrectly called a form of lung cancer. That is not accurate. Mesothelioma is notorious for being very aggressive, difficult to diagnose and treat, and carrying a grim prognosis. In general, only a quarter to a third of mesothelioma patients survive their first year after diagnosis, and just 10% survive for at least 3 years. Mesothelioma can almost always be traced to one risk factor: exposure to asbestos. Asbestos is a natural fiber that was widely used as insulation and in manufacturing until late in the 20th century, especially in shipyards. Once inhaled, it cannot be exhaled, instead lingering in the body for decades. In some patients, this triggers mesothelioma 15 to 60 years later. This very long incubation period contributes to the disease's low survival rate. If you or a loved one served in the Navy between 1930 and 1980, you should know that you run a substantially increased risk of contracting this rare form of cancer called mesothelioma. If you would like to learn more about your legal rights and tell us your story, please contact Paul B. Harding of Martin, Harding & Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. You can also reach us on the web at www.thenewyorkmesotheliomalawyers.com.